Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create this transparent effect in Photoshop. So let's jump right into the video. Here we have our background, a lemon and its slice. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform the lemon and adjust it. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Press Ctrl or Command along with Shift plus U to desaturate the layer below. Change its blending mode to screen. Go to the adjustment layer and choose levels. Click here to create the clipping mask. Adjust it as per your requirement. Now enable the actual lemon layer. Select elliptical marquee tool. Draw the area and then select lasso tool to cut out the upper part of the lemon. Go to select inverse and then click on this vector mask icon. Now enable the slice layer, adjust it and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.